Abdul, do you hear me? Abdul, do you hear me?
Yes. Yes, I do. Hello.
Put on your camera, Abdul. Okay. Abdul, so in the previous class, we were doing properties of multiplication of integers, right? So
Yes.
in multiplication of integers, we studied the sign convention and everything. So today we shall be moving ahead to division of integers. Okay, so now in division of integers, first of all, Abdul, again, we have the same things only. That when you divide the numbers, you have to get a specific set of whatever answer you get, you need to just put the specific sign on it, right? So the practice questions we did in the previous class also, like minus 30 divided by 10 and everything we did in the previous class. There were some questions you can do. Evaluate the following. Okay, Abdul. So these are a set of 4 questions. You can just practice these questions. Start practicing. Abdul, your camera is off. Abdul, do you hear me? Abdul, do you hear me?
Yes. Sorry, ma'am, my mother's calling. Ma'am. 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 Hello. Ma'am.
Yes, Abdul.
On the last question, so negative 1 divided by negative 1, it will become 0, right?
No, -1 divided by -1 will not be 0. It will be +1. We will discuss the answers. So first of all, you have 13 divided by.
Finished. So,
Okay, so we will discuss the answers now.
okay.
First is -31 divided by -30 plus -1. Now, Abdul, what -31 divided by -30 and -1. When you add them, you get -31.
1.
So
Each
-31 divided by -31, you have 1.
positive 1.
You have both the
Positive.
numbers same sign, so you have +1 as your answer. So the first answer is +1. Understood?
Yes.
Next is 13 divided by -2 plus
Negative
1.
30. Negative 30.
13 divided by, so -2 plus 1 gives you -1. So 13 divided by 1 is 13 and opposite sign, so you put a negative sign. Then you have the third one, -31 divided by -30 plus -1. So oh wait, this one is already discussed. We come to the third one now. Third one is -36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So -36 divided by 12. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. and opposite sign, so you put a negative sign, divided by 3. So negative 3 divided by 3 gives you what? 1, and sign will be negative. Understood this?
Yes.
Then you have minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 5 gives you minus 1 divided by minus 1. So 1 divided by 1 gives you 1, and sign will be positive. Okay. This is how you will do.
Yes.
Now we come to the next question. You have to
Ma'am,
verify that.
could you give me 1 second? Just
Yes, Abdul, what are you saying?
could you give me 1 second?
Okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Abdul, so we have yeah. Abdul, we have the next question. You have to verify that A divided by Abdul, do you hear me? Okay, you have
Yes.
A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay, for each of the following. So basically, what you have is like the first one says A is 12, B is minus 4, and C is 2. So what will you do? See, A divided by B plus C is should not be equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So instead of A you put 12, instead of B you put minus 4, and instead of C you put 2. So first it is A divided by B. So 12 divided by B plus C. So B is minus 4 plus 2 should not be equal to A divided by B. So A is 12 divided by minus 4 plus A divided by C. 12 divided by 2. Okay. So what you have to do, you solve this side and this side. Like we did these type of questions in previous class also, you remember, for multiplication. So this is similar. So first you solve 12 divided by -4 plus 2 is -2. Okay. So 12 divided by -2 is -6. And over here, when I solve 12 divided by -4 is -3, plus 12 divided by 2 is 6. So -3 plus 6 is +6. So you see, these are not equal, right? This is only you have to prove that these are not equal. So can you do such type of questions?
Yes.
So now you have, wait, here only I will give. A divided by -10.
Ma'am.
1. Okay. So start doing this, Abdul.
Ma'am.
Yes, Abdul, what are you saying?
Do you have to do it like this? Our teacher is like this.
Yeah, you can do it like this also. It's okay, you can do it like this also if you want. But just do it.
Okay. Okay.
Please start doing.
I'm finished.
Finished? Okay, so we can discuss the answer. What we have is, first of all, A divided by B plus C. So what is A divided by B plus C equal to? It is equals to minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1. So that means minus 10 divided by 2. So minus 10 divided by 2. Abdul, I can't see you.
My camera is on though.
I just can see a black screen. So minus 10 divided by 2 gives you minus 5. Then
Oh, sorry,
A divided by
I
B.
actually put my camera. Sorry.
What does A divided by B? Okay, now I see you. A divided by B is minus 10 divided by 1. So it is minus 10 only. And A divided by C is equals to minus 10 divided by 1. So it is also equals to minus 10 only. Now you should
Yes.
add these two numbers. So what is minus 10
Positive 20.
plus minus 10? It is equals to minus 20, not positive 20. Abdul, you have same signs.
No, in division, you don't have to follow that rule when same and
Oh, yeah, yeah,
positive.
yeah. But that is different. We are not dividing. You are adding now.
Oh, okay, okay.
So this becomes minus 20, and you know minus 20 is not equal to minus 5, right?
Yes.
Clear, Abdul?
Yes.
Okay. So now the question is, this question we practiced in previous class also, but I just want to re-discuss it once.
Okay.
In a class test, plus 5 marks are given
For each question.
for every correct answer. And minus 2 marks are deducted for every incorrect answer. First question is Radhika answered all questions and scored 30 marks, though she got okay. So this is the question, and now what you have to do is how many incorrect questions. Abdul, are you there in the class?
Yes.
Please put on your camera. Why do you put off your camera? I need to see you that you are there in the class or not. Answers had they attempted. Abdul, do you hear me?
Yes.
So what is the question? There is a class test and that in the class test, plus 5 marks were given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks were deducted for every incorrect answer. Then Radhika answered all the questions and she scored 30 marks. And she got only 10 correct answers. Then similarly, Jay scored all the questions and scored minus 12 marks and got 4 correct answers. So how many incorrect answers had they attempted? You have to solve this. We did this class in the previous class also, so you can just do it now. If you don't understand, you can ask me once again, but please try attempting it once. Okay, Abdul? Can you do it?
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, Abdul.
Can you move the where you choose the pen? Can you move that because it's blocking the question?
Please speak a little loudly.
Could you please move the pen bar that you use every time? Could you move that?
Is it fine now?
Yes, it's fine. Tell us that 5 marks are here for every student. For every student, and negative 2 marks, and negative 2, and for various incorrect.
Abdul, have you completed the question?
No, ma'am. I find it difficult.
It's okay, Abdul. So you should have told me that you're not able to solve. I thought you were doing. Abdul, please put on your camera.
Okay.
Abdul, do you hear me? Abdul, please do not put off your camera. In every class, most of the time, I'm just telling you to not put off your camera, and your camera is always off. So, did you do this question or not?
I tried to solve some of it, but I couldn't understand.
No problem. So if there is any question that you're not able to solve, you can ask me, okay? So we will just
Okay.
discuss the answer. It is given to you that Radhika answered all the questions and scored 30 marks. So Radhika is
Yeah.
scoring how many marks? She scored 30 marks.
30 marks.
Now she answered how many questions correct? 10 were correct. So for correct, she got how many marks? Marks for correct answers will be how many? Tell me. For one correct answer, it is 5 marks. So for 10 correct answer, it is how many marks? Tell me, Abdul. For 10 correct answers, it will be how many marks? For one, it is 5 marks.
Okay.
Abdul, do you hear me?
50. 50.
Okay, 50 marks. Okay, but she's scoring 30 marks. So how many questions, answers did she lost? So marks for
She has
correct answers will be
20 marks.
50 minus 30. So this becomes how much? 20 marks. So tell me one thing. If she's scoring 20 marks for incorrect answers, so we know for one incorrect answer, she loses 2 marks. So for how many incorrect answers will she lose 20 marks? For 10 incorrect answer. You will just divide 20 with 2. So you get 10. So number of incorrect answers is 10.
10.
Do you understand that now?
Yes.
Do you understand it or not, Abdul?
I understand it.
Okay. Then similarly, the next question also says the same thing. He is scoring minus 12 marks and 4 correct answer. So for 4 correct answer, the person got how many marks?
40.
So marks for correct answers is 4 into 5.
4
So
into
20
5.
marks. Okay. And for incorrect answer,